Morning, North Shuttle 72 Charlie, QNH 1016, clear to Roma, 19 left, Torp 2 Charlie, squawk 0710.
Clear to Rome, 19 left, Torp 2 Charlie, 0710, and the QNH 1016, and North Shuttle 72 Charlie.
My name is Stein and my co-pilot on my right-hand side here is Terje B. Welcome aboard, folks. We're going to take you all with Norwegian Air Shuttle down to Rome, Fiumicino today. The flight conditions quite nice here in Oslo, clear skies and sunshine. On the way down, flight conditions are supposed to be quite nice. And in Rome, a possibility of a light rain shower in between. Temperature down there, though, quite nice. 17 degrees on the positive or plus side. We wish you all a pleasant flight. Thank you. Before departure today, we've already got the aircraft set up in Norwegian. We don't use much paperwork. We have an EFB sitting here on the left-hand side. Shows that's everything from the charts to our flight plan. And what we get here, we transfer over to our flight management system. Program that in already. It's all set up with the departure out of Oslo, going towards the south and continuing straight southbound over Denmark. We've already received our departure clearance, and we're just waiting for the cabin to be all set up and counted. And then we'll get the paperwork done fairly quick, and then we'll be ready to push. We have received a departure clearance through Torp to Charlie departure. It is on page 30-8 from 11th of March 2013. Transition altitude 7,000 feet. Sector safe 3,900 in all sectors. Communications, it states at Torp 2 Charlie, contact approach 18475 when instructed by guided on tower, 250 knots below flight level 100. Climb to 7,000 feet. The gradient is 6.6% to 5,000. Initially, climb on a heading of 194, it's set up. To Gulf Mike 604, max speed is 230 knots. Then Gulf Mike 602, and follow the SID. Torp 2 Charlie, that is Kubub, and down to Torp.
Checked.
In case of engine failure, at standard at 2,200 feet, turn left inbound in SUV, and I saw you put that into the fixed page.
Checked.
Other than that, it's company non-normal, standard. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Now we're putting the performance bit of our job today. This is the weight and balance part. It states here our takeoff fuel, our trip fuel, and now I'm going to put in the amount of passengers.
Takk skal du ha. Takk, takk. Skal vi se, det var 114, det var 144.
There we go.
Yep.
144, 5 and 1. Seating is
49.
48.
48, 56. 45, 442 in number 2.
1053.
1053. Total 1495. We get an N4 routing.
You happy with that?
N424, 10.6, 74, 44, 51, 48. Yes, happy.
Okay.
Checked.
And now we're going over to the performance part on the weight and balance that has to do with This is your fuel mass, which is up here, 57.3. We'll go ahead and put that in the FMC.
Yes, checked.
57.3. Then we had a takeoff mass of 68 tons.
Checked.
Weight checked?
Weights are checked.
Very good. 149 plus 1.
Checked.
And we probably will have a stab trading of 5.7.
Yes. No.
And then we'll send that one to the company. Then we'll go to the takeoff performance part. Left at the intersection Bravo 7. We'll add on our 500 kilos and get 68.4.
Yep. Checked.
Let's see. 230 at 11. Temperature is 4. QNH 1015.
Checked.
Anti-ice off.
1016 latest QNH.
1016 latest. Thank you.
Yes.
You happy?
Yep.
All right. Checked. And we'll calculate it. That gives us 22K. The test at 35 degrees. The stab is 5.7. Acceleration 1510 feet. And the stop margin 67. Speeds at 143, 143, and 147. We'll put the flap 5 into the FMC. We'll put in the Mach, which is 24.4. And the trim 5.7 is looking good. And then the speeds V1 143, V2 an OVR 143, and V2 is 147 knots. Performance checked that yet?
Performance is checked.
Good.
Thank you.
North 72 Charlie, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff. Wind is 240 at 13 knots.
Clear for takeoff, 19 left, North Shuttle 72 Charlie.
Clear takeoff. Runway heading is checked, 7,000 feet is in the window. Longyearbyen, time to start it.
Left, speed is 180.
Setting thrust.
1, good morning, Roger.
Thrust set.
North 744, contact with
80 knots.
Check.
47, come on.
11847, North Shuttle 744, hold on.
V1.
Rotate, long body.
3222, good morning. Lufthansa 6 Tango
Positive.
Gear up.
Land, wind 240 degrees, 14 knots. Lufthansa 6 Tango, turn off, clear to left. Scandinavian 440.
L nav engaged.
Check. Runway 1 left behind. Behind first landing, line up and went behind.
VNAV speed.
Checked.
Great.
And 1.
And 1. Flap 1. Flap up.
North 72 Charlie, contact with Sue on 118.47. Goodbye.
1847, North Shuttle 72 Charlie.
North 744 left Lillebakk.
Flaps up, no light. Also, good morning, North Shuttle 72 Charlie, with you leaving at 2,800.
North 72 Charlie, low, let the contact, Cloud Shuttle 210.
Papa 210, North Shuttle 72 Charlie.
What? What 212 around?
Good morning, Sabre 5, level 5.
210.
See the slopes over there? Yeah. That's right there. Oh, nice.
Yes, thank you.
I'll just put in the winds here so we're done with that. Hey, leaving Oslo today, we were parked by the terminal at gate 38, that's over in this area. We taxied out, followed taxiway Golf towards the east, and came up to Sierra, taxied northbound up to exit Bravo 9. Taking off down the runway towards the south, and from there on we were flying the departure route to Charlie, taking us out from the airport, southbound. The city of Oslo is in this area. Continue through the point called Kubub and down towards this, or overhead the city of Torp, which is also the name of a VOR that we have down there. That's also located close to the Oslo fjord that runs out into the ocean.